welcome to the world of accounting illusions, where profit is the glittery stage makeup and cash is the actual cold hard shower you need the next morning. You think you're rich because your P&L says you made $1 million. Grow up. Profit is just a hallucination brought on by too much IFRS and not enough sleep. It is a creative writing exercise for people who like spreadsheets. Cash, on the other hand, is a fact. It is the only thing that keeps the lights on and the bailiffs away from my mahogany desk. Having a high profit with no cash is like being invited to a 5-course gala dinner but realizing you cannot afford the Uber to get there. You're sitting at home in a tuxedo, starving to death, looking at a piece of paper that says you're a VIP. Congratulations, you're technically successful and literally broke. In Arthur's world, profit is what happens when you tell your girlfriend you will buy her a diamond next year. Cash is actually having the ring in your pocket so you don't get dumped today. One is a promise made in a fever dream, the other is the reason you are not sleeping on a park bench. Let's look at your accounts receivable. That is just a list of people who are currently ghosting you. You recorded that as revenue. Ah, you genius! You have essentially counted your chickens before the eggs have even been laid, and quite frankly, the rooster is looking suspicious. You are paying taxes on money you haven't even touched yet. That's not business, that is a charity donation to the government that nobody asked for. I've seen companies report record-breaking profits all the way to the bankruptcy court. They're high-fiving in the boardroom while the ATM is screaming insufficient funds at the intern. It is the biggest scam since calorie-free pizza. If you manage your business based on profit alone, you are navigating a ship by looking at a painting of a lighthouse instead of the actual rocks scraping the hull. If you confuse the two again, I'm sending the auditors to live in your guest room. They don't blink, they smell like old parchment, and they'll eat all your cereal while judging your life choices. You cannot pay your staff in net income, and you certainly cannot buy my respect with a gross margin. Watch your liquidity, or start practicing your "I'm broke" face for the creditors. Now leave and go find some actual coins.